try for a good, quick 45 minutes session. And let's see what we can do. Right, Tia, are you with me? So, I'm actually looking at a few stocks today. Tia Johnson, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Negative, negative. Couldn't hear you.
All loud and clear.
Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, so we're live again today, guys, and it's a funny market today for some reason. I got trapped in one of them, but thankfully I escaped that. The gems in this is to quickly, cut your losses if you can, as fast as possible. So I'm looking at liquid media, and I think I screamed about this in the mentoring club actually. So I'm in the kitchen today, and I don't know who's got liquid media. So I do have this. Let's see. What's my stocks doing? Oh, I can't even find the stocks anymore. Okay, wonderful. Yeah, so I'm looking at YVR, which is one I am trading, and I think it's very, very interesting right now. Just done about 8% on this because I was down a bit on it. So that's just giving me an 8% so far. So who's got it? Who hasn't? I don't know where this is going, but it looks like it's going to a good place. So let me just scream this out to the mentoring club. Pastor, do you have YVR? Yo, Pastor, oh, 43%, amazing. Okay, let's see. I was thinking I was going to play outside, inside out, but there's no point. This is huge. This is huge today. Right, this has still got more room to grow, guys. It's got more room to grow. Well. Okay. So I'm going to look at this right here. Oh, it's a bit thin around here. So 227 is great, but I'm looking at this up to 250 people, 250. So liquid media is the one I'm looking at. This is now I see. I don't know who's got NFTs here. So because NFTs are moving, we should all realize that this is expected to move. The other one that we expect to move should be TCATS, TKAT. We all know TCATS, right? Don't we? Come on. Okay, TKAT. Just because it's supposed to play sympathy to liquid media. Oh, well, it's on 15. That's not bad. Okay. Yeah, I like this. Wonderful. It's been a good start to my day. Fantastic. I'm pleased with myself playing this one and having a bit of patience for it. Okay, so I'm looking at 250. And the volume, sorry, I'm just trying to respond to someone. It's still not busy. Still not very busy. Let me just look at it quicker, shorter, and see what it's telling me. What is this thing telling me? Okay. Wow. Wow. Are you guys with me? Or am I talking to myself? Tia, come on, talk to me.
Hey, we're here.
Don't make me feel lonely in this place, guys. I'm not the only one just trading here. Okay,
Nah, we're all here.
is it halted? It's just gone quiet. It's just muted, really. So normally when it's halted up, it's a danger, which means it's very good for us. Come on. For the time being, at least, protects some profits, stop loss. Okay, what do we have, guys? 227. Why is it not moving at all? TCAT is okay. TCAT is just playing a bit of sympathy here. I can't see anything more. Okay, what can I do? Let me look at the sessions because Tia, you want to analyze this from your end and see what you can find?
On my end, so it's just stuck on 2.3. It's actually not moving.
Because it seems like you guys have a faster. Okay, it's actually no, it's creeping back up gradually.
Okay.
Wow, you can see that. Oh, sorry, it's got a good support there, my people. I'm happy with this around this point. I think it's going to get there, but let's see if nothing changes. Ooh, come on, baby. Let's go there. Oh. He's pausing. Don't play with me. We know things move up, but just never in a straight line. This is very awkward. This is a very awkward one. But you know what? You know I'm never greedy. I'm usually happy with what I have, and I've got 23% now, which is what I didn't wake up with. So let's see. To get out though, you need to be able to scale out responsibly. So where are we? 225. What's going on? Nothing. I can't see anything. Okay, let me just. Come on. Oh, stop it. That's not what I want. All right, so the good news is I'm not going to turn this into a losing trade. Let me get out, and if I'm going to have to come back, I'm going to have to come back. Happy with it right now, and yeah, I'll say good is good. Okay. I really cannot see. Oh, I sold something else.
Sorry.
Oh, boy. Sorry?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I sold my, yeah, I'm gonna buy it back. I sold my ETF. This has served me. Yeah, like I said, it's been halted up. Ooh.
TCAT is moving.
It is moving, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. TKAT, even YVR still got life in it as well. Ooh, 238. Said it.
You see, just all those ones, the pack 2020, those ones are like this. Small, and all those big cartons. It's big too, but it's not that big. Just checking, it's only one carton that's there. 2029. 21, there are 2 cartons.
Hello, please. Which carton? Help us pause. This is okay. It's going to be a little bit volatile, but I know it's still got life in it. Yeah. Right. Okay. What else? Can't believe I sold my City of London investments. How could I do that? So I'm just gonna put some money there again. Okay, Liquid Media. It's got to do me well. This is just it's literally trying to get bullish, and it's trying to grow more wings. People, let it grow. That's it. YVR 250. No, I'll try 230 for a scalp. I should have said. So if you look at YVR, if you can catch 230, once it dances around back there. Okay, so just be patient. But you're gonna have to go in big so that you can. Okay, let's just see.
How much is big to go in?
Well, I'm saying so you can, you can make 5% now. That's just something, isn't it? I'm trying to find a good support for this thing. Well, where do you find the support when it's just moved heavy? And this is still very cheap. Okay, 223 now, right? I think you should be patient and let things settle instead of just gambling. Okay. I'm trying to let it find a support. Even though like I said, 270 looks very possible. So let's see. My City of London. So where is oh, I didn't sell my City of London. I thought I did. Fantastic. Okay. So we're back in action. It didn't sell, it didn't process. Fantastic. So Liquid Media, someone's going at 230. I said, be patient, guys. At least 230, you're going to make money right here. Boom. Okay. Oof, he didn't hit. So he just needs to find the support. That's it. Take out. But there's a huge volume here. I'm expecting this to have a multi-day run because it's been dreaming on the ground, and because of the whole NFTs. So yeah, this should go anyway. It should go. I think at the point where it's at right now, it's just at an obvious point where prices are expected to rise. So I'm not too worried about liquid media. Where else are we? Let me check my City of London. No, my City of London sold. Yes, it did. Okay, I was looking at Jivo earlier on as well today. Oh, TCAS has just flown. Okay, 231. But this is growing, as you can see. It's trying to stabilize and be consistent. I was expecting this to go to 250. So let's see. Sometimes these trades get tired and they don't move anymore. I mean, I sold it anyway already. Liquid media. Just want to see if I can find a base, a reason to get back in. And it hasn't convinced me yet because I haven't seen. I need to find it. Let me, what am I looking for? Jesus Christ, have mercy. Someone looking for, where is this? Number 3, isn't it? Okay, so it's calming down now gradually. Oh, I can't find it. Just want to see if I can use my feed level. Okay. So, oh, no, of course. Stay with me. Right, are you getting tired? Don't get tired. TCAT is not moving either anymore, is he? So what do we see? The shuttle's jumping on yet. Okay, well, this should still move. Ooh, 25. $223. I think it came to $230, I believe. Yeah, so we need this to calm down. So remember, to make the most money in the market, you either make it very first thing in the morning or late when the market's just about to close. So let's see what this does for now. I was looking at a few other ones as well. Okay. So you range from there. Right, come on. Yeah, okay. So he's actually ranging right now. Getting ready for the next leg, I guess, right? Oh, okay. Let's just see. Oh, no. Oh, 244, 43, 44. Okay. This is not bad day so far. Who else is in TCAS? It just wouldn't settle. It's a very... Why am I looking at that much? Okay. The price is, okay, 223. So what are we looking at? I'm getting 2.8 vibes. What do you think? 2.8 looks like that's what the market is saying. But the problem is when everything that you're supposed to eat in 2 weeks, you're just eating everything in one day, So, but we're just gonna have to be patient for it and see. Baba. Right, okay, so with Alibaba is actually still very cheap. Don't even know what's happening to Baba today. But like I said earlier, until they get their acts right. Ooh, yeah, again, like I said, Baba, you want to scale in from there? I told you to scale in yesterday, didn't I? And I said, get out at 220. So it's like a in, out, until Baba decides, you know, on what he wants to do.
Do you think he's going to hit 220 today?
Oh, not today. It's not today. Baba is not that.
So I was trying to get out of it. I'm in already.
Oh, did you get in today?
No, I got it in a few weeks ago now, actually.
Are you in profit though?
No, I was, and then it's flooded it, and now I'm back to negative. So I'm trying to like escape it because I think, let me see, my average on that one is 216.61.
Someone's drawing on the charts. Who's this?
Who's that?
I'm not sure. Let's just hope we don't have what's it called in our midst.
Obanje.
You know. Okay, someone's drawing. Who is this person? Let me see if I can remove the colors. Okay, I mean I could clear all drawings. That's okay.
Okay.
Might be a mistake, but I called the meeting once and TCAS 244. I called the meeting once and then somebody was drawing and drawing all sorts of funny shapes on it, and I don't know who the person was, but yeah, I think it was someone we didn't know. So sometimes you share these things and it comes out. But yeah, so anyway, that's Baba right there, and that's yeah. So it's kind of comfortable at this level, but the next level I'm looking at is for Baba anyway. Yeah, around this point here. Oh, okay. So I think so. It's either going to get here, or which it should, but then it should be able to beat the last level. This point here, pom.
What point is that?
220.
Okay, 20.
220.
Okay.
So this point,
we'll
can you
set
see this point
down.
and this bars? Yeah. So 220 take profit zone for Baba. That's what I see. TCAT is matching eventually, 244, 243, 244. So that person are going at 230. Well done. I know you probably scaled in heavy. 247. I said 250, right? Let's go, TCAT. So someone's probably made some tidy profit again. So let me just update the group and let them know TCAT hits our exit. Sorry, YVR hits. Okay, so we should just thank the markets, close the shop, move on. Oh, 251. We might just get a bagger here. Who knows? Okay, maybe I should have told you guys to get in at 230 actually, but just right, guys. Is TCAT going to repeat the same thing as well? Let me see. Based on what I have, the problem is it's YVR day today, so is TCAT going to have the same good day? I don't know. Okay. This is not looking very good though. You know, it's actually TCAT's not bad as well. It's not looking too bad, to be honest. So no, TCAT is not looking too bad either. TCAT's not looking too bad. But let's have a look at what I've got here. Okay. Ooh, don't forget, don't turn a good trade into a bad one, guys. There's a lot of money flowing in. So I think you want to be cautious, and this YVR is still going to move. Though I'm saying 280, but for me, I think it's fair to be cautious at 240. at 250. Baba again. Baba has a problem. I mean, if you look at the trend here with Baba, what do you see? Oh, give me a minute. Where's the person? I'm trying to draw. Okay. And just use this actually. What you notice is, where is Baba? The volume bias up and down, up, sell, up. So it gets busy, less busy, busy, less busy, busy. And this is not very good for, well, this is good for traders, but not good as an investor. But this is actually still a very cheap stock. But what can you do? You know, that's the move it's trying to make up there. But again, if it's not making that move, you can't force it, you can't push it. The fundamentals are solid. This is a very cheap company, but how long do you want to tie down your funds in the name of, you know, long-term holder? This is not great for me, not great for anybody. Anyway, I was looking at GVO today as well. I do have some GVO, so it's okay for me. Yeah, I was just looking at some stuff. Oh, maybe YVA is just, yeah, YVA is just squeezing. I don't think I can find any news on it as to why it's moving. I think it's just been shorted heavily and it's time to just squeeze. So that's what we got there. So let me just see if I can find any news. Someone raise their hand. If you want to talk, feel free to talk, guys. This is not a class, it's just a, ooh. This is just a group of us just trading. Oh, so they want to acquire another, no. They reveal how big data will propel independent IP creators to monetization. That was 3 days ago. So yeah, there's no news as to why it's moving. So this is one you want to get your profit, get out, and thank the markets. That's what I'm going to say. But don't sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep on it. FRS CCIV, okay, so we FRS, I probably should just I should just double this, shouldn't I? So I can look at CCATs here as well. And then here, FRS, let's see what's going on. FRS, is that you, FRS NYSE? Is that FRSX you mean? Let me look at CCIV while you answer that. CCIV, I think I planned, can't remember what I planned for that, but if you haven't taken your profit from YVR, don't sell me. It's my fault. I did tell you to take profit. That's 250, and it did hit 250. So, oh, FISCA, FSK, sorry. FISCA, FSK. Honestly, for CCIV here, I was actually looking at 220 at some point. YVI is now 230. Did you take profit? Did you not take profit? This person should talk to me. I still think YVI is going to go again. But please, don't sleep on it, trying to protect. No, this is money you didn't wake up with. Okay. Oopsie, sorry. Let me just change the background. Wow. Trading is a very lonely game. Let me take myself back to Hawaii. Isn't that nice? Okay. Hello. So YVR on another leg. So if you're taking profit there, 250, you would have been out. CCIV is a very ugly chart right now. I'll stay away from CCIV for now. FSK. But the thing is, FSK is actually not a bad stock, but the problem is the problem with FSK is they haven't got off products. It's fine, feel free to walk. I'm in Hawaii. They haven't got a product, and right now, sorry. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Sorry. Please tell me if you can see my screen next time. Yeah. YVR again is on another leg. So the problem is they haven't got a product, and the market has valued them at what? 6 billion. How can you have 6 billion confidence in something that you haven't even tested the product? So right now we are buying rumor. That's what we're doing. Okay. TCAT, not doing much. YVR, okay, giving you another opportunity to sell. Fantastic. Feel free to just thank God. And this is something you didn't wake up with earlier today. So, and just say God has been amazing to you. And that's what you should do. Okay. I know it's not a lot of money sometimes, these things, but what can you do? You keep adapting, Ooh. Let me see. It's hitting bigger legs. 0.53. Wow. Does that mean I sold earlier? Yeah, that we all struggle with selling, don't we? Okay, Didi. P. Didi is in the building. So let me do something here. Just bear with me a minute, please. We might have to do this a bit much more later again, because I have to be somewhere at 4 o'clock. But oh, 2.9. So we're talking about why FSK, and I said FSK have not they haven't got a product yet. So I think it's quite unfortunate the market has valued them that much, and yes, at 6 billion. So for me personally, if I'm going to get into this at all, let me just see without having to do much charting. You don't really need much charting for these kind of things. You just need to FSK, Fisker, just give me a minute. I'll still be distracted, don't I? Don't worry. I'm supposed to be trading, but I'm here trading. I'm supposed to be trading, but I'm here trading. Ooh, 259. Well, patience. They said the patient dog eats the fattest bone. Do you still believe that, guys? So this is FSK. So as far as I'm concerned, good afternoon, sir.
Are you talking about FSR or FSK?
FSK, Fisker. Somebody's asking FSR, what's happening to FSL. Yeah, what did you say, sorry?
FSR, not FSK. FSK is an asset management company. FSR is Fisker.
You're right, it's FSR. Oh, yeah. Come on, YVR. I'm impressed with your move today, baby. Talk to me. You are amazing. Miski, did you get YVR?
Yes, I quiet since I did look now. I didn't get it though.
This is when I go and I posted screenshots, and even though I got out earlier, well, I'm happy with the progress it's making. So
I'll wait for the next round.
What do you say?
I'll wait for the next round.
Oh, FSR is 15. I don't mind FSR 15. actually. I mean,
To have that, let me see if I still have it.
yeah, I don't mind FSR 15 at all, because this is just time. This is what I call time and a half. Look at that. He loves this price. Can you see? Very simple. But it's a bit lower, but what price is that? 14? So yeah, guys, don't get swayed by this plump that he's doing right now. This is just what we call shakara. It's going to come back down. It's coming back down. So this for me, 14. But somebody asked if it's good for long time. Absolutely good for long time. So for me, I'll be taking profit, then come back, profit, come back. I love taking my profit. I'm sorry, I'm not leaving it to the markets. I have been very poor and know what it looks like to be poor. So if you give me money right now, I will take it. Again, somebody came out, oh, somebody went into YVR at 240.48 and came out at 260. Unbelievable. Okay. Do I still? Now I'm getting a bit tempted to get back into YVR, but you know me, when I'm out, But this person, can you read the charts? Can you read the charts? Or you're just gambling? Do not gamble. Don't gamble. Please, if you don't know what you're doing, do not gamble. Okay, I think it's a good price. So just give me a second, please. I'm just trying to quickly look at one of my stocks here. One of them, just to make sure you don't get caught snapping. You don't want to be caught napping, do you? This just elements that this thing will move heavily. So let's sell for swing. Let's have a look. You know, I've still got one eye on YVR. I just want to make sure. Oh my goodness. 39 million people are on this. FSR. So yeah, I've said mine about FSR. So FSL. Oopsie. Fuel cell. What do we say about fuel cell? Problem is, once you start getting more people, start creating more complications for these things.
Are you kidding me? Open at 1.62 and it's 2.45 now. Shit.
What's that?
Rosa. She's talking about VR.
Who's talking about YVR?
I forgot the name now.
Is that Tia? It's a senseless volume. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to look at it like I should. Okay.
So when is the next pullback for YVR for those of us that?
That's what I'm trying to master. Even I got out earlier. So. And I've got to leave here in about 10 minutes, but we're definitely going to come back to this evening.
Okay, thank you.
I still think it's still got a bit of life in it. That one I can say. I'm just, because they're still going to push it off. They're still going to drive it up. Yeah, there's still life in it, but look at that. Almost 15 times. It's just a pure pump, pure dump. That's all it is. FSR anyway, well, YVR is playing right here. I mean, FCell, fuel cell. Fuel cell, the thing is, look, this is very quiet. This is very quiet here. Fuel cell is good for your long term. It's very, okay, it's going to be busy there. But overall, it has been quiet, busy, quiet, busy, quiet. So you got to wait for market to rotate to this point. Other than that, just wait. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. Verb looking like it still wants to go. So yeah, for FSL, I'm just going to say wait. This is a 2.3 billion business. It's just another growth stock. So its time has come. And what did we say about this yesterday? Look at that momentum.
Benga, sorry, yeah. Could you, I don't know which background you used to apply so we could be seeing the ticker at the back.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
Thank you.
I can't believe this here. We're struggling at 270. Remember that?
And now it's here. Imagine.
Yeah. So we want to be careful. It will move. I mean, everybody's complaining about it's a quiet day, but some people are still making money. I wouldn't say some of us. Some people still making money if you know what you're doing. So where is my charts again? Okay, so YVR, I'm actually gonna wait for this to pull back a little bit. So what we're experiencing are the very first 15 minutes of the market. Oh, 2:30 is an hour. Yeah, the very first hour of the market, more or less, really. Aggressive guys want to come in first, do their business, and then the next thing is going to be the gentle guys going to come in the afternoon, and they're going to do the odd scaling in and out. And then towards the evening, then the aggressive guys again, they're going to pile on their aggression. So I'm going to go outside now. I need to go, I've got business to attend to, but just give me a second. I'm looking a bit distracted here too. So I never leave my stocks unattended to when I leave the house, by the way. I keep checking this because someone's still in, and helping them to check. So you don't want to sell on emotions. Well, it's still good. It's still good. There's evidence that it's still going to go up in the interim anyway. Look at that. The earnings are on upon us as well. Okay, so this is good for them. They're going to be encouraging this. Oh, bless me. Okay. Anyway, so that 3.2. Don't know why I'm not really looking at that as such. I'm just annoyed that we didn't get into this at 2.7 yesterday. Okay. So I think what we are seeing here in the shorter run is it's ranging around this point here. So it's ranging around here, up, down, up, down, up, down. But can we see I'm trying to find an OIO, if I can use that to determine. Oh, okay, so it's actually gonna fall now, as you can see. I need the third to confirm before we can see. It's not very crazy. Binance futures. Somebody wants to talk about futures. We shall talk about futures at some point.
Okay, brother Skipper, when would that be?
We shall see. We need to master trading, don't we?
Yeah, I know it's a risky, it's a high reward, something high risk.
High risk, high reward, right? I hate, honestly, your brokers matter as well when you are. Yeah. Future's quite risky, and yeah, I mean, big reward as well, though. Big reward.
Big reward, like
Futures.
reward as well.
So yeah, this is crossed down.
But do you do features naturally, normally?
Not always. I've played with it a little bit, but you know, you got to be, if you want to be doing something that's going to carry big risk and big reward, and you want to be doing it live with people, I think you got to be careful, if that makes sense. You know.
Yeah.
Be careful. So, right. Let's see what else is moving. What else is moving? So this is actually just paused now. As you can see, like I said again, this has just been ranging around this point. So we did very well. 250 was a good call. Yeah. So this is just ranging around this point again. Right. The next thing is verb seems to be tired. So I think to got tired here. So I've been tired already. And it's not doing anything anymore. So let's see what it does. You know, you have to understand, if you're in Nigeria, you're losing money, you're losing in dollars, and you're investing in Naira. So it's something you've got to think, does it suit those people? You know, if I'm going to teach futures, I've got to be careful. Oh, YVR, back to 232 now. So that was a good entry, good job for today. Okay, just before I go, in the next 2 minutes, we definitely will resume this here. GBO back to 604. DTSS. Again, this got a bit tired. Do you know what? I've been looking at OGN. I don't know why I didn't call it to the group. Now look at this. What's it doing? Anyway, let me just go back to stocks. Excuse me. What else is making a play? What else is making a play for us to play with based on the markets? I'm happy with, you know, with my loots today. That's what I call it. It's a loot, isn't it? We stole from the markets. So so let's see what else. Okay, so you know what? I was just thinking this might be a good time again, but we can't get into YVR because it's peeling. Let's see. Let me just see. Yeah, YVR is the best play for today. AACG. Can somebody check if we have AACG on 212? AACG. Yeah, Verb is vomiting all the games. AACG, can you please check? Do we have AACG and so on too?
Yes, it's on 212.
Not on ISAR, but maybe it's on Invest.
Yeah, Tia, you say it's on 212, right?
Yeah, it's on Invest. It is.
Yes, it's there.
AACG. AACG. AACG, where are we? Okay, AACG is at what price now? Okay, it's defeated the shutters. This is good. Whoa, AACG, way to go. This is not a bad one to scalp. See what it's saying? Yep. AACG, Tia, does this look good to you?
Yeah, it looks good.
AACG looks good. Miss Key, remember our class yesterday?
Yeah.
So you want to wait for it to be of a four below four. It feels like I'm rapping now. But yeah, fall below 4. But it's very, very strong. Very, very strong. very, very, very strong here. I like what I'm seeing. And yeah, 4 below 4. Oh, God. Yeah. Right, guys, 4 below 4, it might not get there. And this may be, okay, just about, yeah. It's just going there. And then we can, make a move. Right, I really have to go now. I really have to go. It's just, yeah. Okay, for the time being, let's just see. Where is it taking? Where is it going? I mean, it's about 4 points, risk reward. What do we get here? Yeah, not a bad, 20% actually on this. If you can catch it at 4. But you got to be careful because remember, I would not have access to the charts. So if you can catch this at 4 and monitor the trend, it's definitely strong. It's definitely strong. I can see the money flowing into this one here. So other than that, guys, I won't be able to have access to help you check. But oof, yeah, they're trying to struggle, Okay, so it defeated this point here, as you can see, and it made another leg up, and that's it right there, okay? And he was able to conquer that next key level. Look at that key level here. So if he's able to conquer that key level, I'm expecting this to next 440. Yeah, not a bad scalp actually. But if you can catch it at 4, then that's fine. Other than that, guys, just stay out if you don't know what you're doing, please. Please stay out. Not financial advice. As you can see, it keeps trying to pull it back towards 4. And then, yeah, it wouldn't stay at 4. It just keeps wanting to go up there. So, like I said again, not financial advice. If you don't really know what you're doing, just be patient. Let someone guide you. But other than that, guys, I shall see you later this evening. Let's do your 6:30 if you are free and available. All right, guys, I'll post the link again about 6:30-ish. I should be home. Do we have any question before I jump? I need to get on the boat. As you can see, I'm in Hawaii. Everyone is quiet. Deborah, Didi, you never talk. Oh, Didi's probably in another meeting. I know Didi's in the UK. Right, guys, I'll leave you guys and we'll take